Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome back. In this session we are going to do a program in Python to create and display a text file. The file name will be passed as parameter using the command line argument argv. Now we'll see how to give this command line argument. First you have to go to run, then edit configuration. Here I will give the file name, say apj.txt. This file name will be argv1. As we know that argv0 is always the program name or the script name. So this will be argv1. So similarly we can give n number of arguments, should be separated by space. So here I have given this file name. Now we will click the apply button and close. Now here in the program I am writing this import sys. The Python sys module provides access to the command line argument, that is the file name which we have given. It will be accessed through this sys argv1. So I am opening the file. Sys argv1 will be the file name which I had given in the argument, that is apj.txt. I am opening that file in the write mode, and after that I am writing all these 4 lines into that file. So we will execute this. Now the file is created with these 4 lines. We will check that. I am opening the file, say apj.txt. So the 4 lines are there in this file apj.txt. Now I will read the content of this file and display on the screen. For that I am opening the file in the read mode, that is sys argv1 is apj.txt. That file I am opening in the read mode. I am reading the file and printing it, that is it will display on the screen the entire file, the 4 lines. So here it is, the contents of the file are displayed. So I have opened the file in read mode, read the file and displayed it. Now suppose I try to read a file which is not there, which is not present. In that case, this exception will be raised and it will give me an error, say file name, that particular file name doesn't exist. An exception is an event which occurs during execution that disrupts the normal flow of the programs. So when the normal flow is interrupted, it will go to exception. So if you try to read a file which is not there, it will raise this exception. So we will try that. I will change the file name. Say I will change the file name to apt.txt, and this file is not present. So now I will try to read that file which is not present, then it should go to this exception. So it has gone to the exception because that file apt.txt is not there. So file apt.txt doesn't exist. It has gone to this exception and displayed this message. So this is how you create a text file and read the text file and display its content. So if I want to add more data to that file, suppose I want to add these 2 lines to that file, I will open that file, open sys argv1, that is the same file apj.txt. I will open it in the append mode. A is for append. Then I will write these 2 lines to the file and close the file. Then after that, here I am opening that file in the read mode. That is the appended file I am opening in the read mode and displaying that file on the screen. So we will execute this. So here it is. It has displayed the entire file, the first 4 lines and then the appended lines. So all the 6 lines are displayed now. Now after that, I am deleting this file, that is removing this file using the remove method. So if the file is present, it will remove the file and display the file name that is removed. It will display the file name on the screen. So now it is showing me that APJ text file is removed. So this is how we create a file, add data to the file, then append data to that same file, and after that we remove the file. So we have used argv1, that is command line argument, to send the file name as parameter to the program. And then we have seen the exception also, how the exception is raised when if you try to read a file which is not present there. So hope you understood this program. If you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.